I am going to show you how to set up your title page and make sure that it is APA format and that the font and the spacing is correct. So if you follow this video correctly, you will have set up your title page correctly for APA format. Now, if you look at Google Docs, you'll see that the font is in Arial and it's 11-point font. So this needs to be changed to Times New Roman, and you need to change it to 12-point font so that you have the correct size. This will be the same size for every piece that you do. Now, to set up your title page and your numbers correctly, you're going to go up to Insert and click it, and then go down to where you see Header and click that. Now, when it pops up, you're going to see a box that says Different First Page Header Footer. Put a click mark in that so there is a check mark. You also want to hit your space key or your enter key one time so that it brings this down closer. Now the first page is different from the rest of the pages. It gets what is called a running head item. So you're going to actually type in the words running and head. Then you will click the colon. The colon is the 2 dots. You're going to space it, and then you're going to use a part of the title of your paper. If it's a short title to start with, then you will only use the words that you have. If it's a long title, you only want to use 2 or 3 of the words. So I'm going to use the title page that I have for my example in class. So this would be Blood Diamonds. Note that the title is in all caps. Now I'm going to click off of this, and then I'm going to go back up here to Insert, and I'm going to insert a page number. And you want it in the top right corner, so you want the first one it shows you, and you want all the numbers consecutive. Now, the number 1 is going to actually drop down a little bit, so to get it back in line, just hit your backspace and then tab it back over. And make sure that it's on the same line with the title. Now, the title page, you want to center it, so you're going to click the center key up here, make sure your font's correct, and then you're going to change it to make sure that you have the right spacing. The line spacing needs to be double. Once you've done that, then hit your enter key about 7 times. This will bring you to about the center piece. You're going to start with the title of your paper again. Hit the enter key, and then you're going to put your name. Hit enter again, and this time you're going to type in Pioneer Career and Technology Center. And then you're going to type in your lab. After you have created this piece, you can hit enter one more time, and then you can actually insert what we call a page break. That way, if you change anything on that title page, it won't move things around in the rest of your paper. That's going to take you to the start of the second page. Now you notice it's already doing the page numbering here, so your page numbers are correct. You're going to go back up to Insert and Header again. Hit that enter key. You'll need to back up your numbers again. And then type in your title all in caps again. And then tab over so that the 2 is the far right. Now, if it goes down to the left, just back it up 1 so it's in line. Notice this doesn't say running head on it. It's a little different from the first one. Now you need to also make sure that you go back to left alignment. So go back up here where you changed to center and click on the one to the left. Now you're ready to start typing your paper.